Tapakutu momenene, tapakutu momenene, tapakutu momenene, tapakutu momenene. Hate awi atsele pa palahastin. Hey, hey. Haku, haku. Santana, Julie Tumamait, Stenslie. Coco Wash, Vincent Tumamait. Getty Wash, Lucy Tumamait. No an Chumash, Kathluna Achai, Woyo. Greetings. Hello. My name is Julie Tumamait Stenslie. My father, Vincent Tumamait. My mother, Lucy Tumamait. I am Chumash and I live in Ojai. Thank you. Well, welcome. Welcome here to this beautiful Ojai Valley, one of my places where I grew up, where our families have grown up for thousands of years, and our presence and our spirit is still here in the land. I come from a long line of people who told stories, social advocates, justice for people, and told stories about how to behave in this world, and songs and music that have been passed down through the times. Music is essential for all of us. It gives us a sense of beauty, of joy, essential. Music was essential in every single thing we did. And so as I begin, I introduce my storytelling person, a persona of who I am in all the long generations of storytelling. My name, Bear. Bear with me. So as we go into this journey of storytelling, we talk about our creation stories and how things got created in this world. I'm going to start with a little story in which, long time ago, Sahipaka, once upon a time, when there were large people in this world, the Momolakwiku, they roamed this middle world, the Tiashup. But then at a time the rain started to come. They came down for days and days, weeks and months. Pretty soon the whole world of Itiashup was full of water, and all those first people perished in this flood. Although at the very top of the edge of the waters there was one tree with a small little animal, little bird, makutikak, spotted woodpecker. So Woodpecker was the only remaining being in the world of Itiashup, and there he was, cold and shivering, and he's crying up, "Oyach, Oyach," yelling to the sky people. Well, Sun's two daughters, they looked at the edge of Mishupashup and they went, "Oh, Coco, father, come." And as he looked over the edge, he saw this poor little pitiful bird, and he threw him ishpanish, acorns. And the little bird loved this gift. He was so hungry and he kept asking for more. Well, pretty soon it was time for all the waters to go down. And as Sun has a fire stick, very much like my askatata, and he lays it in the waters. And this is what gives us our light in the world. And as he put his fire stick into the world, the waters start receding. The first people had turned to stone. And today we can see their images here in the Ojai Valley if we're looking very carefully. Toki toki, ya hey men ma toki toki, ya hey men ma toki toki, ya hey men ma toki toki, ya hey men me wile le shima. Mishu ya he